What is up? So in this video, I want to give you 7 AI tools that you can use right away within your business to improve your marketing message to your prospective clients, customers, existing customers, etc. To understand this first tool, you kind of have to understand where AI is heading. So think of it this way. A bunch of people are creating a ton of content with AI, right? More quantity of content being output today than ever before. So companies like Google, companies like Facebook, they're having to come up with parsers to try and figure out, hey, is this piece of content AI or is it generated by a real human? And if we can tell, what do we do with that information? Do we push it up in the algorithm? Do we push it down in the algorithm? How do we deal with this increased quantity of content that's being put out? So the first tool I actually want to recommend to you is not a generator tool. It is writer.com. Has an AI parser, and you can take your copy, whatever it is you're planning to run on your ads, on your landing page, on your email, and you can run it through that AI parser and see how high it ranks if you are using generators like ChatGPT, Creator, Jarvis, etc. to generate that copy. The higher it ranks, the more probabilities I think we're going to start seeing that is going to get pushed down in the algorithm. So if you're creating a ton of content with AI and not accounting for that, you could actually potentially hurt your marketing efforts in the future. So that's writer.com, the AI calculator there, where you just pop the text in and it gives you a rating. Super awesome. And then the second tool is QuillBot. QuillBot is an annotator. So the way that it works is you take your AI generated copy, whatever you came up with, you pop it into QuillBot and it rewrites it. It kind of simplifies it. It changes around some of the languaging, it makes it a little bit more simple so that it reads more like a regular human would. And it's a fantastic option if you want to go from the ideation stage to something that then you tweak yourself. Really fantastic for that. So the first is writer.com. The second is QuillBot to annotate. The third tool, and OG copywriters are going to be familiar with this one, is Jarvis. Right? We had Jarvis way before ChatGPT came out. It's amazing if you want to be able to generate subject lines, headlines, ad copy, etc. You know, every carpenter needs to have a hammer and a screwdriver. And that's the way I think of Jarvis. It's your bread and butter, standard, write copy quickly. I need it for a specific topic. Great for outlines. If you are an intermediate to advanced copywriter, especially, and you're able to take AI generated copy and improve it, Jarvis is a fantastic starting point. Again, bread and butter tools that we utilize daily. The fourth tool that I want to talk to you about is Creator.ai. Now, this one I really like. Not only is it a generator for things like Facebook ads, things like emails, things like subject lines, etc., but it also has this really cool creative story mode where you can generate a story. And I find that to be really great for emails, really great for certain parts of landers, really great for social media, to be able to have a story around a product, for example, or a story around whatever the campaign is. It will actually kind of curate a story for you. And the way it reads is almost like a children's novel. It's really heartwarming. It feels good. It reads well. You can't necessarily tell right away. It doesn't trigger that like generated by AI component right away. And especially if you curate it and you touch it up a little bit, the output that you get is really fantastic. I have a lot of other modes on there. That's Creator.ai. Tool number 5 is ChatGPT. You could do a whole video about this. You could do a whole channel about ChatGPT and using ChatGPT within your business. So I think I'm just going to assume that if you're watching this video, you already know what ChatGPT is. You already use it. So what I will say is if you are interested in more advanced ChatGPT training topics, script structuring, etc., and you want a video on that, comment down below, say ChatGPT in the comments. And if we get enough comments, then I will make a separate video specifically on ChatGPT and how you can use it for marketing efforts in your business. Now, tool number 6 after ChatGPT is really interesting. Pattern 89. This is a creative testing tool that allows you to test multiple creatives, because one thing that we're seeing with AI is it's not just taking over, the wording and the scripting, it's also taking over the creative process, where no longer are you having to sit and wait for a creative to optimize. It will actually do a lot of that creative testing for you, which is really cool. And the 7th tool, and this one is my favorite, I love this tool so much, it's called Optimove. And what Optimove does, and if you're a nerd like me, you're gonna absolutely love this, it is AI generated CRM flows and customer journeys. So if you're a marketer and you're obsessed about creating an amazing experience for those customers that come through your pipeline and coming up with new ideas to get them in, coming up with new ideas to create value for them, and being able to architect a customer journey that feels almost like a game or something, or an experience that they're going through when they're interacting with your business, Optimove is really cool. It lays a lot of really cool stuff out, gives you a lot of new ideas that you maybe wouldn't have thought of otherwise. Sometimes, it brings up certain things within the process that you realize, oh, wait a minute, we might not do exactly that. We might do something similar, but we're gonna still take advantage of it in this way. So again, those tools, just to run them back, writer.com, AI parser, so you know how much of your copy is AI, QuillBot, so you can annotate and simplify your copy, Jarvis, so you can have bread and butter subject lines, emails, etc. Creator for more creative generative copy around stories and other components. ChatGPT, if you want advanced stuff, comment ChatGPT down below. Pattern 89 for creative testing, and Optimove for dynamic AI generated CRM and customer journeys. Hopefully you found this useful. Again, this has been just 7 tools. There's a lot of other tools in the AI space that are utilizable. Like this doesn't even cover Midjourney, which we use extensively for images. That's another one we might do a deep dive on. But for now, I'll leave it there. Take a look at these tools, apply 1 or 2 of them in your business, see if it makes a difference, and let me know, what were your results? What is a tool that maybe you use on a daily basis that I didn't mention below? Did I forget your favorite tool? I'm so sorry, you can't know about all of them, but if you have one that you're really passionate about and you go, God, I love my tool, please comment that down below. We'd love to see what that is. There's a lot of great stuff with Zoom and scheduling and AI assistants and stuff, creating presentations. There's so much in the world of AI. This could be a 50 top tool list, but I wanted to give you 7 that you can use specifically to improve the crafting of your marketing message here today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about entrepreneurship, leadership, and how to build a great company. This has been Mikhail. Comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.